If you're in a theater or a talk, it's commonplace to silence your iPhone so that if you get a call or a text message or any other notification, it doesn't ring to your phone and make any sound whatsoever, so you don't disturb whoever's giving the presentation or during the play. However, there are a number of different ways to be able to do that, and there are pros and cons of different options on how you silence your phone. I'm going to show you how to do it and the pros and cons of all of those methods. Now, the first thing to note is a newer iPhone will have an action button right above the volume up. The older iPhones had a physical button that you can pull towards you or pull away towards the back of the iPhone to silence it or not silence it. But the new phones have an action button. I'll show you how to use that first. So, not in here. Open up the settings app of your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on action button if you see that. All you need to do is switch this over to silent mode. And then if I press and hold on it, you can see it goes to silent, and press and hold again and it goes to ring mode. However, keep in mind, if you don't see this or you don't have this, keep in mind there are other options to be able to silence your phone. And this doesn't silence it if you get other sort of notifications. And basically, let's silence those too. So open up the settings app again and tap the back arrow. From here, let's scroll down and tap on sounds and haptics. You can see this is another place that you can silence your phone. You can either turn that off to have it ring or to turn it on to have it silent. However, you can see ringtone and alerts, and I can drop this volume slider all the way down to the bottom to prevent my iPhone from ringing loudly if, again, I get a call or a text message. Keep in mind, this is the different volume slider than the volume slider when you're listening to videos like this or music. That volume slider, if you swipe down from the top right, is this volume slider. So you can silence this as well, but this is the volume that you use when you listen to music and watch videos and play games, stuff like that. Another great option for you in the control center is to tap on the focus mode. If you turn on Do Not Disturb, this will silence all calls, all text messages, and all sound. However, in most instances, if somebody calls you multiple times within a few minutes, then it will ring to your phone, indicating that it might be an emergency. So another option you have is to toggle on Do Not Disturb, and then your phone will not ring. A combination of both silent mode or do not disturb could be used if you don't want your phone to be able to ring. And again, if you're wanting it to ring again, just toggle both of these off and you're good to go. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.